In this tutorial, I'm going to teach you how to transform an image of yourself into a Minecraft style image with AI. So the platform that we're going to use is NovoAds AI, and the link is going to be in the comment section. Once you arrive here, you need to create an account. And here, as you can see, I was testing this prompt. So well, we have to go to the image section. Now we have to go to settings. Here, we're going to change the model to GPT Image 2 and the quality from high to medium. This because it's much cheaper. Now we have to click in reference, and here we need to upload an image of ourselves or of another person. Now let's click here, and now here we're going to use the following prompt. This prompt is going to be in the comment section, and you can modify it as you want. So now let's click here, and now we have to wait more or less 1 minute. Perfect, here we have the images, and as you can see, they are really good. Personally, I liked a lot this one. So if you want to do images like this one, remember that the prompt is going to be in the comment section and that you can try NovoAds AI for just $1. So if you have any doubts, you can comment me in the comment section and see you in the next video.